What's up, guys? So today's Harvest Buffet is the first day to open up, and we're excited to go in there, see what they got. Stay tuned. Here, yo. Oh, look how nice this is. Okay. Harvest Buffet. We are excited. Yes, this is the check-in place. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is what they got. Look at the videos what they got in the wall. Look what they got in the wall. Oh, that's cool. So this place is pretty cool. It is huge, especially brand new here in Tacoma. I'm gonna take videos of the food sometime, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted, all right? We got a lot of different food over here. So all kinds of variety of meat, buns, veggies. On this side, he got the dessert on here. Good stuff here. Oh, check this out. There's a cotton candy thing right here. That is cool. I might bring my parents here.
Yes.
There it is.
Your parents are gonna love it here. This is like the new best.
So we got a lot of good stuff.
Definitely my new favorite.
I told you guys, y'all like that. Now on this side, all kinds of ice cream. They got the soup section. It's got the soup section. And I think that's the Mongolian grill on this side. Right here. Mongolian grill. All the meat. Right here. And it's more of like rice. Here's more rice. Dope. Come over here, we got the fruits. All kinds of fruits. You see the veggies. And on this side, we got these. We got sushi. Good sushi, huh? Let me show you guys what's up over here. We got that little chocolate fountain right here with marshmallows. And then we get onto this side. We got, I showed this earlier, but this is where they make crepes. They make crepes here. They got cotton candy. How's cotton candy, Naya?
Delicious.
It's delicious. That's pretty cool. Check it out, man. They got the pudding, the taro pudding right here. They got all kinds of desserts here. Everything looks fresh. I don't know about y'all, but if you guys try this marshmallow biscuit right here. Hey, this is marshmallow biscuit.
They even cut the fruit out here.
Really good.
Right.
I don't know if you guys tried marshmallow biscuit, but it's really good. The what?
They cut the fruit out here.
Oh yeah. Look at my YouTube. She's making that crepe.
You need to do the last picture.
Huh?
You need to do the last one picture.
Absolutely. We need to move this tray out of the way then. Right here. Yep. It's gonna be a beautiful video and a picture.
Oh, too big.
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool that you guys make crepes here. Crepes and ice cream? Woo.
Yeah.
There you go. Ah. Let me get a shot from there. Look at that.
Okay, do the, oh,
Oh.
what kind of ice cream?
Oh, you want what kind of ice cream, babe? I'll share with you.
What would you like?
We're gonna share.
So do you guys wrap it in there?
No, wrap it, so you can roast it. You can put a chocolate sauce.
Ooh, they got chocolate sauce in too. Look at this girl.
Which one do you like?
Babe, what do you want?
Not too much. Let me see. We try a little bit Oreo. Yeah. Can we go a little bit Oreo, please?
Yeah, what else?
And a green tea.
Oh, and green tea looks good. Yep.
What is that?
That's great.
I've never seen this thing.
Even do
Yeah, boy.
You want some chocolate? Also?
You want chocolate? That's cool. Look at that. You take a nice video. Hey, look at you smiling back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's get it in. All right. For you guys that want to know my opinion about this place.
Nobody cares. That's what put me on blast.
Anyways,
I'm about to-
this place, I gotta tell you guys, it's pretty big. It's huge. It has everything. You guys will love this place.
I
I
loved
don't.
it.
That she.
I got cotton candy.
Yep, she got cotton candy.
She got cotton candy.
She got cotton
And
candy.
I got ice cream and she got ice cream.
You got ice cream? I didn't get no ice cream.
Cause
I
you
know.
did? Yeah,
I
yes
did?
you did. Yeah,
You can see that,
you
camera.
had the pancakes with two ice cream in it like, together.
Anyways, so this place, this is located in Tacoma, on the 38th Street. It's called Harvest Buffet.
Right by the rock.
Right by Ross, on what is that, South Tacoma Way? Anyways, just type in Harvest Buffet. This place is legit. It's my love. Anyways, but yeah, you guys should come try it out. You know, it has everything. Everything is made fresh. Fruits, they're cut fresh, like in front of you, right in front of you. Like the fruits, the meat, crate, everything. What is going on back here?
Skirt.
I was trying to mess up my video.
We were just sitting here. We're so waiting for you to be done with video.
Anyways, talk to y'all later, man. Love you guys.